In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use to unlock bots chess.com. If you enjoy practicing chess against computer opponents, Chess.com offers a wide selection of bots with different personalities, playing styles, and skill levels. These bots are designed to help players improve their game, learn new strategies, and enjoy chess at their own pace. Some bots are available to all users, while others require a premium membership to access. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the bot section, how to identify which bots are available, and how to unlock additional bots if you want access to the complete collection. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to chess.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your Chess.com account. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu used to access different areas of the platform. Next, move your mouse over the play icon located in the sidebar. This icon typically resembles a small chessboard. When you hover over it, a menu will appear displaying several play options available on Chess.com. From that menu, click on Computer. This will take you to the section dedicated to chess bots and computer opponents. Once the page loads, you'll see a large collection of bots available for practice and training. These bots are often grouped into categories such as beginner, intermediate, advanced, and special themed opponents. Each bot usually includes a rating and a unique playing style. Some are designed to make common beginner mistakes, while others play at a much stronger level and can provide a serious challenge. This variety makes it easy to find opponents that match your current skill level and training goals. As you browse through the available bots, you'll notice that some can be selected immediately, while others display a lock icon. If a bot does not have a lock icon, you can click on it and begin a game right away. These free bots are a great option for practicing openings, testing strategies, and building confidence. If you want access to every available bot, you'll need a Chess.com premium membership. To view membership options, open a new browser tab and navigate to the Chess.com membership page. There, you'll find several membership plans to choose from. Review the available options and select the plan that best fits your needs. If a trial offer is available for your account, you may also have the opportunity to try premium features before committing to a membership. Once your membership becomes active, all previously locked bots will become available. Return to the Play Against Computer section, and you'll be able to challenge any bot you choose. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,